Now we're going to have a look at the errors report. When I populated the chute with plates using our chute tool, so we've got our parts and then we've got plate chute. Originally, when we did that, we didn't have drawings behind it and we had the wrong model type in our library with regards to creating the plate. So what's happened is that when you go to open up one of the chute plates, it's come up with the error, as you can see on the right hand side, because when we populated the chute plate, it had driving sketch instead of plates. Now we've recently fixed that bug as well. If you go in and open up one of the plates, and we'll just make sure that the plate is within the error list, and it is there, and we open the plate up, it can't determine what the description is of the plate because it doesn't know what model type it is. So it's not creating the description. Now if we typed in plates and then consolidated, it would then fix that error when we do a consolidation. If we were to click on the errors button and open it up, you will see all the components that have come up with errors associated to it. Now, not only will this pick up errors related to description, length, or grade, it will pick up that if you've got a section and it's not the first item in the cut list, it will pick it up, and because it can't determine the length, it will also tell you that there's an error associated to that item. We've also added more code in order for us to make that function better. So you probably find that the length issue may disappear completely. But now we've got other tools in place to tell us that there are errors and they need to be fixed. So with all my plates that I've got in here, I've got to go through and change them so that their model type says plates, and then reconsolidate. So to do that, I'm just going to go through that process and show you how it's done. The alternative is we just remove all the plates and just repopulate the plates and then consolidate again. So with our update of our chute, we were able to create drawings as well and bring the drawing along as well. Whereas when I did this way back about 5 months ago, I didn't use the chute code that's been used now to generate the plates. So now when we actually insert our plates, the plates come with drawings as well.